Jitin Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Jitin Prasad. Your interview is going to be on which date?
22nd, sir.
Where is it? It is going to be in
No,
Chennai.
Salem. Salem,
Salem.
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 Yes, sir.
Good. You are going for scale 2,
Scale
scale 3 or 2.
General Bank. Scale two General Banking Officer.
Very good. Can you please tell me about yourself? தமிழ்ல பேச முடியுமா இல்ல இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேச முடியுமா?
தமிழ்ல தமிழ்லையும் பேசலாம் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
நீங்க பரவாயில்ல இங்கிலீஷ்லயே சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே. ஸோ வீடியோல வீடியோல
Oh, you want to come in video? Acha.
யா ஸோ தட் பெட்டர்.
Yeah. Come. Hello.
குட் மார்னிங் சார்.
How are
Hello.
you? You look much younger today. You look much younger. Good.
Thank you.
Compared to that day, you look much. That day you were in white shirt or something like that, ना? पता
Why,
नहीं.
sir? Yes.
उसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा एज हो गया, अभी कम हो गया.
Thank you, sir.
No,
I
you
cut
couldn't
my
follow.
hair.
I'm
Actually,
telling. No, I'm telling. In that you were looking older, but now in this you look younger.
as you said,
And
I have to look older, right, for maturity.
no, ऐसा नहीं है. This is okay, fine. For probationary officer, this will do. You are not going as manager. And for manager, it is okay, sufficient. You are not going as senior manager or chief manager. Yeah. Now, please tell
Okay,
me about
thanks.
yourself. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Jidinjay Prasad. I was born and brought up in Palakkad, Kerala, and I completed my post graduation uh, in in electronics and communication systems from Nehru Arts and Science College in 2017. Just like that, I completed my BSc Bachelor's from Nehru Arts and Science College in 2015 in the same branch. Uh, Prior to that, I completed my schoolings from Vyasa uh, in Calicut, Palakkad. So after completing my post graduation, I joined a couple of firms in a couple of startups in Cochin from 2017 to 2019. I was working as a UX developer and in digital marketing. After that, in 2021, I got into LIC as a development officer in Chennai. There was a gap because I got the job in 2020, but because of the COVID outbreak, there was a delay of 10 to 11 months from my joining. And in LIC, yeah. And after that, I'm working in Ambattur branch in Chennai. And about my strengths, I would say that from LIC itself, I learned leadership skills, manager skills, and analytical skills, so that it would be easy for me to recruit and manage my team of agents, and I can interact with the customers in a proper manner. And my weakness, I would say that sometimes I will look into details. Like if I don't have a small data, I mean, small documents, I will not proceed with completing a policy with LIC. So that is one of my weakness. But I think in the long run, it didn't affect me a lot. But in the short run, sometimes the customer might feel irritated. But yeah, but I'm focusing more on this mm, rules. So that could be said as a weakness. And my hobbies also that I like watching movies, and then I go to the gym on a regular basis. And I have a LinkedIn connection of more than 8,000, so I'm using that to spread financial awareness. And this is more like a professional hobby because through that I generate leads for either for recruitment of agency or to selling insurance because for my agent. And about my family, my father, who is a retired BSNL JTO, and my mother, she's a homemaker. My sister, she's studying agriculture MSc in Coimbatore, and my beautiful wife, she completed her masters in embedded system from RVS College Coimbatore in 2018, and now presently she is working in Agash Institute and work from home basis. So that's about me.
Good. Excellent. You told nicely, but you are talking very fast. Like your Malayalam, your English also is fast. Sort of, I could not follow fully something. Somewhere some gaps happens. So there you will be having similarly old people sitting. They will be younger than me, but still you talk aram say you give time and then speak instead of going in a very fast rate. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that is the comment. Now, mm, what do you think is the job role of a manager in RRB?
So, the job role, from what I've heard, is that I have to manage a branch. The branch will be having some employees like a cashier, like or some field officers, and some other contract-based work. So I have to maintain that full ecosystem. I have to make sure that the branch is profitable, and that is the role.
You can tell as a manager of a branch, I'll be in charge of reaching the deposit targets, advance targets, and also to see that the profitability of the branch is improved. I will have to
Okay.
show more attention towards recovery of NPA loans. And there will be people working under me, officers as well as clerical staff. I will have to supervise the working of those people, and I will be responsible for sanctioning of loans that are falling within my powers. And I will be send forwarding the proposal to my senior authority, regional manager, for sanction of further proposals. And after the sanction is received, I am expected to look after the taking of proper documentation, then disbursement and follow up so that the loans do not become NPA. Okay. And I will have to show attention towards popularizing financial inclusion by opening more of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts, by popularizing Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, and also take steps for having more of Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. And in case the RRB has got arrangement with some insurance companies, then I will have to canvass for insurance policies on behalf of the bank for that इंश्योरेंस कंपनी एंड दैट्स ऑल इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा would you follow
So
it has
yes, sir.
been
Also,
recorded it has been recorded I will post it again you listen and then take notes and write it okay
ஓகே சார் இது ரொம்ப லென்த்தி ஆயிடுச்சு சார் அப்போ அவங்க அதுக்குள்ள இருந்தே கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்போம் லைக் டெபாசிட் என்ன அதெல்லாம் கேட்டா எனக்கு தெரியாது அதனால தான் நான் ஷார்ட்டா டிஸ்கஸ் சொன்னேன்
ஓஹோ பட் டெபாசிட் தெரியணுமே டெபாசிட் வந்து time deposits and demand deposits time deposits fixed deposit and recurring deposit demand deposits வந்து savings bank and current account and எதை பத்தியுமே உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல்லா தெரியணும் ஈவன் probationary officers are asked what is a savings bank account what is a current account why banks are asking for more of CASA deposits then what is a fixed deposit what is the minimum period of fixed deposit what is the recurring deposit minimum period minimum amount ये सब you should know you can know everything you don't have to be at the mercy of other you go to your Kerala Grameen Bank has got very good website, excellent website. You go through that, then you also go through Tamil Nadu Grameen Bank website.
I went through Tamil Nadu Grammar
But Tamil Nadu
website.
Grameen Bank, it's not that very good. But Kerala Grameen Bank, if you want, I'll show you. It is giving very nicely.
Yes,
Oh, Baba, superb.
yes,
About deposit, about loans, what types of loans they are giving. Everything is given. I want you to go through that, mug it up.
yes,
Same
sir.
thing applies in all. Same thing applies in all banks.
Yes, sir.
Good. You cannot shy away from knowing about fixed deposit, recurring deposit, and all that. That is a must because you are joining as a manager. Supposing I ask you what are the conditions of current account, you must tell me in current account, it can be opened by businessmen and the minimum balance to be kept is higher amount. There are no restrictions in terms of withdrawal of the money. Any number of transactions can be done. Depending on the transactions done, charges will be levied by the bank, and bank is not paying any interest on the balances in the current account. And in case of need at the request of the customer, bank will be allowing overdraft again in this account.
Yes.
Savings bank account is normally meant for, say, the individuals for
Savings
saving
mandate.
purposes. Two or three individuals can also join together open savings account. In the case of savings account, there are restrictions regarding number of withdrawals, 50 withdrawals per half year. When the number of withdrawals exceed that, the charges will be levied
Okay.
on the by the bank. And for opening of a savings account, you have to go with fulfilling KYC formalities, such as PAN card, Aadhaar card. You should take and give with a photograph. Bank will give you a passbook. Bank will also um, bank will give a debit card also. Using debit card, we can withdraw money from the um, ATMs, and we can use the debit card for purchase of commodities from shops and online also.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, fixed deposit minimum period is 7 days, maximum period is 10 years,
No, okay, sir.
and fixed amount has to be
RD.
kept with the bank, and the bank will pay quarterly interest on that. Minimum amount, I think it will be 1,000 rupees. Please check up from your Kerala Grameen Bank account. Get to know that and tell them this is minimum as per Kerala Grameen Bank account. Or you go to Tamil Nadu Grameen Bank, if they have the money, the amount you see that. And
Okay, sir.
minimum period is 7 days, maximum 10 years. And the money will be kept with the bank, and on maturity, it will be returned to the depositor. During the period of deposit, every 3 months, interest will be paid. And if the party doesn't want interest, the interest can be cumulated, can be done on a cumulative basis also. They are known as a
Yes.
reinvestment plan or cumulative deposit schemes, where the interest also will earn the same amount of rate of interest. The rate of interest for both recurring deposit and savings bank is same. I request you to go through any of the RRBs and get to know what is the interest rate for, say, 1 year and 10 years, 5 years, and all that, and which is the highest interest rate they are paying. And in the case
Yeah.
of fixed
I
deposits
went
and
with that.
recurring deposits, for elderly citizens above 60
Higher.
years, they will be offering 0.5% interest more.
So yesterday I went with Tamil Nadu Grammar website, and they are giving 8.26 percentage or something for senior citizens and 7.7 percentage for others.
Mhm. It will not be 8.26, it will be 7.75 or 70.
7.75 for normal.
Acha, then add zero point 0.5. That is 8.25. I don't know.
8.25. Yes.
Please
8.25.
check it. Please check it.
8.25.
Please check it up fully and then go. Good.
Yes, sir. You're right.
You
8.25.
you must be thorough with this. And then please tell me, Mr. Jitin Prasad, are there any ministers from Kerala in the union cabinet?
Union cabinet also that Shashi Tharoor and like
Shashi Tharoor is only Congress party.
yes, Congress. Sorry, sir. Yeah, Suresh Gopi. Mr. Suresh Gopi. He's in the
Yeah.
union cabinet. He's the
Yeah.
only one.
Now tell me name of finance minister in central government.
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Who is the minister in charge of defense?
Defense. I
Rajnath
forget.
Singh.
Yeah, I learned that, but I forgot his name.
Rajnath Singh. Then who is
Yes,
our uh, chemical industry professor, minister, and also health minister, JP Nadda. You must know this. There is no other go.
Yeah,
Then
Rajnath,
uh,
I knew.
Rajnath Singh is defense.
Yes,
Then
I knew that.
and then agriculture minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Arey Baba, this is very simple question. In some interviews, they will ask you, JP Nadda was elected as MP from which constituency? That is interview. समझ गया?
Yes.
That is why I put a cross question to you. Is there anybody from Kerala? And for women, they will ask, are there any women ministers in the central government? Are there any ministers from, say, women ministers in your state cabinet like that? Please go through your state cabinet, go through Tamil Nadu cabinet, go through union cabinet. Understand?
Yes,
At
sir.
least, at least 5 ministers. Note down: Home Minister, Finance Minister, MSME Minister, Agriculture Minister, then MSME Minister, Agriculture Minister, and then what else is very, very important? Say Education Minister. समझ गया? புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
ஹிந்தி ஹிந்தி தெரியுமா தெரியாதா?
தெரியும். கொஞ்சம் ஹிந்தி தெரியும். தமிழ், ஹிந்தி, மலையாளம்,
தமிழ்
நாலுமே தெரியும்.
ஹிந்தி நல்லா பேச தெரியுமா?
ஆ, நல்லா தெரியுது. ஆனா சொல்ல தர சமாளி தெரியும்.
அச்சா, தமிழ் நல்லா பேசுவீங்களா?
ஆமாம்.
தமிழ்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம் பேசுங்க பார்க்கலாம். எனி டாபிக் ஆஃப் யுவர் சாய்ஸ்.
ஓகே சார்.
அதாவது
இப்போ இதுல வந்து
அதாவது அதாவது வாட் இஸ் த ரோல் பிளேட் பை ஆர்ஆர்பிஸ் இன் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் எக்கானமி?
ஸோ ஆர்ஆர்பிஸ் வந்து எப்படி பார்த்தோன்னா லைக் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட், சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் இந்த ஸ்பான்சர்ட் பேங்க் பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்ல உருவாக்குனாங்க. கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியாவுக்கு வந்து 50% ஷேர் இருக்காங்க, ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட்க்கு 15%, அண்ட் ஸ்பான்சர் ரிமைனிங் ஸ்பான்சர் பேங்க் தட் இஸ் 35%. இப்போ தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து இந்தியன் பேங்க் தான் ஸ்பான்சர்ட் பேங்க், கேரளாவில் கேனரா பேங்க். ஸோ ஆர்ஆர்பிஸ் வந்து எப்படின்னா இப்போ ஃபினான்ஷியல் இன்க்ளூஷன் நல்லா டெவலப் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. அது வந்து இப்போ என்னன்னா ப்ரையர் டு தட் ப்ரையாரிட்டி செக்டர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து பேங்க்ஸ் லோன் கடன் கொடுக்கறது கம்மியா இருந்தது. ஸோ இப்போ அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இவங்க கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து இந்த நபார்டு எல்லாமே கொண்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து இந்த ரூல்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்குன்னா, இப்போ கிராமின் பேங்க்ஸுக்கோ இல்ல கோஆபரேட்டிவ் பேங்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்க லேர்ன் பண்ண லோன்ல இருந்து 75% வரைக்கும் பிரைவேட் செக்டர் கொடுக்கணும்னு தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க.
Sufficient. Good. Very good.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Good. I'm very happy. Please tell me some current affair news.
சார் இப்போ பீமா சுகம் சொல்லி ஐஆர்டிஏ வந்து ஒரு போர்ட்டல் கொண்டு வர போறாங்க. அது வந்து எப்படின்னா இப்போ கஸ்டமர்ஸுக்கு வந்து இந்த போர்ட்டல்ல போய் இன்சூரன்ஸ் பாலிசிஸ் பை பண்ணிக்கலாம். அது வந்து எல்ஐசின்னு மட்டும் கிடையாது, எந்த இன்சூரன்ஸ் கம்பெனி இருந்தாலும் அது அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். என்ன பெஸ்ட் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அது வந்து இப்போ பாலிசி பசார் மாதிரி கவர்மெண்டே கொண்டு வர போறாங்க. ஸோ
சரி.
அது ரீசெண்டா
பிரதம மந்திரி நேற்று எங்கு இருந்தார்? பிரதம மந்திரி
அது ஐ திங்க் G20 சமிட் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண போயிருக்காங்க.
எங்க நடக்குது அது?
அசர்பைஜான்.
ஆ?
அசர்பைஜான். அசர்பைஜான்.
இல்ல இதுல இல்ல, பிரேசில் இல்ல, போர்ட்டி ஜெனரோ. அத அத பிரேசில் கேபிட்டல் நடக்குது, சம்வேர் தட் பிளேஸ். ப்ளீஸ்
ஆமா,
படிச்சுக்கோங்க.
பிரேசில். பிரேசில் தான். ஆமா, பிரேசில் தான்.
படிச்சுக்கோங்க, பரவாயில்ல.
ஓகே.
Yeah, no problem. Now,
அப்புறம் முத்ரா லோனோட இது வந்துருக்கு சார். ஆக்சுவலி முத்ரா லோன் வந்து தருண் பிளஸ் சொல்லி அதுவும் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அது லாஸ்ட் வீக் தான் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கு. அது வந்து 10 lakhs வந்து தருண் ப்ராப்பரா பேமெண்ட் பண்ண அவங்களுக்கு வந்து தருண் பிளஸ் ப்ரொவிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கு. அது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 10 lakh, தட் இஸ் டோட்டலி 20 lakhs.
The
or
next
long
news,
term?
next news, it is given in current affairs snippets, 18th date.
Mhm.
Tata acquires majority stake in Pegatron's iPhone plant in Tamil Nadu. See, nowadays,
Oh,
if Donald Trump comes, I think our country will increase the production of iPhone and China will reduce it.
no.
Acha. What is the GDP anticipated for our country?
GDP growth 7% is
Good. Very good. Excellent. Hmm. What is the expansion of UNESCO?
UNESCO, United Nations, uh, and I can't recall. So.
Hmm. Which country returned uh, looted antiques to our country recently worth dollar 10 million? It is United States. United States has returned 10 million worth of looted antiques. Would you know what is antiques?
And if the old things like valuable
Yeah,
things,
yeah, exactly. Good, exactly. Then, when was National Press Day observed? November
uh,
16. November 16.
okay.
Okay. Then, in which state there is a BJP party support to BJP party was withdrawn by that local party? Which state?
Okay. Karnataka did that.
No, no, no. Karnataka, it
Uh,
is already, it's in the Congress only is there. It is in Manipur. Latest news, 2 days back news.
it's actually I'm reading Affairs Club on a daily basis, but in that it's not there.
No, no. Who is our external affairs minister?
Jaishankar, Mr. Jaishankar.
Very good, 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 good. Birsa Munda Jayanti was celebrated recently on 15th or so. That you may not know. That is not required.
What?
Last question. Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda. But they will not ask in Tamil Nadu that much. What is the news about SBI? SBI seeks $1.25 billion in 2024's largest dollar denominated loan. They are taking this loan. The loan is arranged by CTBC Bank, HSBC, and Taipei Fubon Bank will be used for general corporate purposes. SBI's move follows trend of increasing foreign currency borrowing by Indian financial institutions, particularly non-banking finance companies, due to stricter domestic regulations. Despite the rising demand, India's total dollar-denominated loan volume has decreased by 27% this year. What is the present inflation rate?
6.5.
6.2.
6.5.
Yeah. What is the trend in banking now? In the fortnight ending November 1, deposit growth has nearly matched credit growth because there is lending is happening slow manner. Okay. Very good. Best wishes. Now, anything else you would like to ask? Any doubts you have?
Yes, because if the panel asks questions from these, probably I won't be able to answer.
It is all luck.
So
It is all luck.
yes, and
100%
so
luck only. And also, you have not studied deeply.
Yes,
See, I have
I'm the
been
first.
telling you should go through static GK, current affairs, banking. I have been telling repeatedly, and you are not an ordinary, you are a good student. You have been with me for most of the days, but in spite of you have been there in most of the days, these subjects are not covered therein. Even if I have covered, you may not remember. That is the problem. Anyhow, best wishes. I There is chances for you to succeed 80%.
Mm,
My heart says 80% chances are there for you. But rest is in your fate. What is
yes.
your birth star?
Tiruvonam.
Thiruvonam. Just a minute.
There is